Now here's how you can use Flash on the iPad. Let's get started. So the iPad, at first, you should ensure that it actually has the LED flash built in, right? So it's next to the camera most likely, and in order to use it, you have more options. The first one is to swipe down to access the control center and look for the flashlight icon. If you do not have it, then press on the plus button right there and then click on Add a Control. From the options which appear, you should already see the flashlight, and if not, you can just perform a quick little search for the flash and you should be able to bring the toggle into the control center. And essentially, you can just click on it and the flash will be turned on, or you can even hold down on it and adjust the intensity of the flash, right? So it's like a regular torch using the LED flash of the iPad. But of course, you can also utilize it when taking photos and videos, because you can then also check out the camera application of your iPad. And right there, when taking photos or videos, you should see a little flash icon, which either is set to automatic or it's turned on or off. So turn it on if you want to use it at all times, and it will just flash the photos, obviously, when you take them. So this is like the second most common approach when it comes to the flash of the iPad. So this is how you can use it. Obviously, there are some more use cases which are a bit more nuanced, but this is what people use it for and how exactly they do it. So let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.